Okay, so this craft is actually a maker castle. I want you to get any kind of recyclables, reusable stuff, whatever. If you look real close, my goodness, they have fake moss, everything. Like, mine's not gonna look like that, guys. I'm sorry. I'm not, that's not what I'm about. But I have a bunch of Pringles cans. I think way too many. So if anyone needs them, let me know. I just brought a small box and a big box. I have some different cardstock, scissors, tape, glue. I'm gonna build it up. I'm gonna do the whole thing off camera because it's just gonna be a lot. My plan is kind of to do something like this with turrets on the sides, like that. I don't know. So this is kind of my plan for my castle. My initial reaction was I was going to use this big paper here and cover everything and then paint it and then put doors on and all that other stuff. But then I found this cute gingham cardstock in my closet. So now I think I'm just gonna wrap everything in different color gingham and make a really funky, well, I guess it's not really funky, it's more country, country castle. I don't know. And then I was gonna use this to make the door and the windows. I don't know, I saw some online that were incredible. They had like drawbridges that came down and like I said, the moss and different things. Probably make little cones for the tops of the Pringle cans. Take off the lids. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But I'm just gonna go ahead and create it and I will show you what I have when I'm done. And I really, really hope you guys do this one because I think that some of you guys could do some really incredible stuff. You don't have to limit it to boxes and Pringles. You can use soup cans, you can use Legos, you could use whatever you want. Make something out of pool noodles or PVC pipe. I don't even know. You guys are much more creative than I am with this stuff. So I am really excited to see what you guys come up with. And don't laugh at mine. Okay, so this is how my castle turned out. Like I said, I decided not to paint it. I used the little gingham paper and then I covered it all with packing tape to, I don't know why, to keep it shiny so that you couldn't see tape and stuff. Because I really didn't know how to glue these on. I tried Gorilla Glue, super glue, and it didn't work. So yeah, it's not as bad as I thought it would turn out. That's saying something. I'm sure a lot of you could do a lot better and I would love, love, love to see them. But this is what I did. So get building.